Kicking off the program tonight, asymptomatic COVID-19 cases in Bangkok, Nakhon Pathom, Pathum Thani, Nonthaburi, Samut Prakan, and Samut Sakhon will enter a home isolation program under remote supervision by medical personnel, according to Thailand's Public Health Ministry, as a direct result of the hospital bed shortage in and around the capital. Home isolation is for people under 60 years old who test positive for the coronavirus but are asymptomatic, generally in good health, live alone and with no more with one person, are not obese or suffering from chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or COPD, chronic kidney disease or CKD, heart and blood vessel diseases, stroke, serious diabetes, or other conditions that doctors may deem to be serious. And today, the National Health Security Office, or NHSO, announced that the program will be subsidized, covering no more than 1,000 baht for 3 meals a day and no more than 1,100 baht for equipment such as thermometers and oxygen meters. Recommendations during home isolation include no home visits, avoiding physical proximity with elderly people and children, with at least 2 meters distance observed, staying in separate rooms from others, refraining from sharing objects and eating with others, opening the windows, wearing masks at all times when leaving the room, washing hands when physical contact and contact with common objects cannot be avoided, separating laundry from others, and using a separate toilet. And if this is not possible, the patient should be the last one to use a toilet. Asymptomatic cases are also required to take their temperature and observe their condition daily. If they begin to develop symptoms that prevent them from doing daily routines, immediate contact with the hospital that holds their medical records is encouraged. Deputy Health Minister Sathit Pittuttecha also said yesterday that he has discussed with the private sector the development of technologies that can ensure effective home isolation, including tracking, reminding notifications, and oxygen and temperature reports. Let's now take a look at today's COVID-19 figures. Thailand has logged 4,662 more cases and 36 more deaths today, bringing the total death toll since last year to almost 2,000, with the majority from the current third wave since. And among all the infections today, more than 1,600 cases are in Bangkok alone, which is a new record high. Total infections since last year have surpassed a 250,000 mark, with over 225,000 cases since April alone. And almost 2,800 people have recovered and been discharged since yesterday.